So I came to see him, to listen for a while. And there he was, this young boy, a stranger to my eyes, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. Listen up, you're killing me softly. Really, oh, did you mean manipulate me, degrade me, thinking that you're greater than me? Cause I'm a girl, you're a flirt. And then I realize that we're a pride. Cause nalimutan ko na. Teka. Hindi ko na naalala. Hindi ko na maalala. Na ikaw ba'y halos sa sarili mong kwento, strumming my pain with this. Hindi ko na maalala, sayang. Singing my life with his words, singing me softly with his song, killing me softly. Hindi ko na maalala, sayang. You're killing me softly. Really, or did you manipulate me, degrade me, thinking that you're greater than me? Cause I'm a girl, you're a flirt. Don't ever think you can realize that we're a prize. Nalimutan ko na after nun. I don't remember after that. It's like I did this like a rap after this, but I forgot. Sayang. Wait. Kaya ko to. I will try to remember. With his fingers, singing my life, his words, killing me soft. Okay, kaya ko to. Pag hindi ko na naalala, huwag niyo na akong pansinin. Nandito yung kapatid ko. Hi, Kenneth. Hi, Ken. Mag-drop ka naman, Ken. So, listen up, you're killing me softly. Really, oh, did you manipulate me, degrade me, thinking that you're greater than me? Cause I'm a girl, you're a flirt. Don't ever think you can materialize and realize that we're a prize. Ang ganda lang alam ko! Teka. Teka, di ba ko tapos sa mga talatang naisip pahayag? Kasi na ikaw pa ang dehado sa sarili mong kwento, strumming my pain with his fingers. Sorry guys, I forgot. I really forgot. Sayang! If only I can remember. Lapit na mag-10. Cheer me up. Are you sad? Lapit na mag-10. Alam, bored lang kasi talaga. I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Dahil bored ako. Suddenly, we just broke up! Whoa! Guys, may heartbroken. Dahil dyan, ito ang kakantahin ko para sa'yo. Last song na talaga para sa kanya. Kasi guys, heartbroken siya. Kawawa naman siya. We need to cheer her up. Let's cheer her. Cheer her up. Like me on my chair right now. since it's very fresh and I'm sure na you still love that person. Shot po no? Baby, baby, there will always be space for you and me, right where you left it. And just maybe enough time will pass, we'll look back and laugh, just don't forget it. Maybe I know I'm writing this song, losing my head over you. And I'll be here, 'cause we both know how it goes. I don't want things to change. I pray they stay the same always. And I don't care if you're with somebody else. I'll give you time and space. Just know I'm not the same. Always, ways, ways. I'm always, ways, ways. I'm always, ways, ways. I'm always, pretty lady, used to walk with me down the street. Oh, no. Sad ka naman. That's for you. Sana, um, isang case nga ng beer sa table. Guys, damayan na natin siya, guys. Kaka-break niya lang sa boyfriend niya or girlfriend niya, guys. Kaluluoy man siya. Kaluluoy man siya. Gahibi man siya. Damo-damo kanyang hibi. Ano pulutan mo? Wala. Kasi I'm on Masluy ang syukla ay kaluluoy man yun ay may naibig man ang syukla ko ang big four ko ay kaluluoy ay napatsyon yun na lang ako guys. Syukla mas doon ako na sad. As in I was like shocked. I was like, what? What the heck? Ay, thank you, Ken. Nag-drop yung kapatid ko ng gift. Kululuy, gigayok ko na. Oh, hey! 10:01 na. Paano ba yan? Ano? Papad na ako dito, oh. It's 10. Should I say goodbye? Or should I extend this? Or you guys still want to cry with me? Oh, over naman, Steffi, sa 12 a.m. The J&J's Joma. Ano? Papad na ako dito, oh. Ay, hindi talaga. Sige, paiyakin ko pa kayo. Sa mga niloko dyan, at sa mga... Ay, wag to. Sa mga umaasa pala sa aking future boyfriend or aking future anyone, tandaan mo na I won't give up on you. Yeah! I look into your eyes. It's like what knocks night sky or beautiful sunrise. Yeah! So much they own. And just like the most stars knocks, I see that you come so far to be right where you are. How old is your soul? I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you my love. I'm still looking up. Knocks. And when you're needing your space to do some navigating, I'll be here patiently waiting to see what you find. 'Cause if stars they burn, some even fall to the earth. Knocks. Kala mo naman talaga. OA. Kala mo naman talaga. Nilalaro mo naman kami. Advice to become a P-pop idol. Wag na. Charot na ka! Eme lang. Hasain mo ang sarili mo. At kung ano ba talaga ang reason mo kung ba't gusto mo maging idol. Huwag ka muna mag-end life, please. Gagawin kitang BGM habang nagsastudy. Ay, wow! Ginawa mo pa akong ano. I'll study with you. Ay, ito. What if, kunyari magkiligan tayo. Kunyari, hinaharana ko kayo. Kunyari, nag-jam tayo. Tapos, jowa ko na. Next na nga. Ano ba yan? Ay, ito. Mag-Sam Smith. Sam Smith tayo. Guys, sobrang bored. 10:30. 10:10. 10:10. Yes, I do. I believe that one day I will be where I was, right there, right next to you. And it's hard. The days just seem so dark. The moon and the stars are nothing without you. Your touch, your skin. Where do I begin? Your words can't explain the way I'm missing you. Tonight, this emptiness, this hole that I'm inside, these tears, they tell their story. Tell me not to cry when you're gone. But the feeling's overwhelming, it's much too strong. Can I lay by your side? Next to you. And make sure you're alright. I'll take care of you. I don't wanna be here if I can't be with you tonight. Sabi ng kapatid ko, wow. Nax. Sobrang nax. Ah! Ay, Kuya Joe, I miss you. Hindi to free concert. O hindi to free concert. Mag-ano kayo dyan? Para sa ating gobyernong hindi mo talaga maintindihan. Alam niyo, hindi ko na rin alam. Ayoko na nakaupo. Subukan niyo naman tumayo. At huwag kang matanaw, at huwag kang matanaw ninyo ang tunay na kalagayan ko. Tao ko, nagtagpo ba kayo sa loob ng malaking bahay at malawak na bakuran? Mataas na pader, pinapaligiran at nakabilang mga mamahaling sasakyan. Mga pader na lagi pulong ng pulong, wala namang kasabero, marami ang nakabarong. Lumakas man ang ulan ay walang butas sa bubong. Mga alam niyo, ang hirap yung rap nito. Kahit masarap siguro manirahan sa bahay na ganyan. Nag-rap pa nga. Umuulan ba dyan? Kasalanan ko ata. Huwag na to. Sabi niya, rapper pa nga. Serena. Di mo sinisibot ka to. Ganyan ko lang ng natural. Tsaka inigapag ko na mautal nila. Ba't sinagkal ginapaminahan? Kapag matutulog mo ng tunggal. Tsaka lang mo na nainabangan na. Sa natabangan niyo. Papaulan parang di ang kaso walang palabat-labat ang lamak. Kinalakihan ang galingan na lang kasi nakatulog mo. Inulan. Ba't ba ako nag-rap? Di naman ako rapper. Ba't ba kasi nag-rap-rap na yan? Ang rap-rap. Sirena, mahirap ang rap. Huwag na mag-rap. Eme lang yan, rapper. Ako ay isang taga-dula. Kaliwat kanan, maririnig, mga pinagdiwala sa nililin. Nagdudula talaga ako. Kaliwat kanan, maririnig. Promise. Itong ginagamit kong pang ano talaga, pang training ng rap. si Sir Glock 9 dahil guys, grabe siya guys. Sobrang, yung flow niya ay talaga namang napakahirap naman. Oo. Iba talaga si Sir Glock 9. Nadarang? Over naman sa nadarang. Di ba nga dapat malungkot tayo? Malungkot tayo, guys. Ito ang kwento ng mga NBSP na na-fall in love. This is my jam. I've rejected affection for years and years. Now I have it, and damn it, it's kind of weird. He tells me you're pretty, don't know how to respond. I tell him that he's pretty too, and I say that don't have a clue. With every passing moment, I surprise myself. I'm scared of guys a lot. Please help, 'cause I think I'm falling in love this time. I blinked and suddenly I fell in time. Suggest kanta para sa mga ginost. Kanta para sa mga ginost. Kanta para sa mga ginost. Wala akong alam. Isip talaga ako, no? Isip ko talaga eh. Billie Eilish. Gusto niya. Beer na lang, T. Beer na lang. Hi, Rodolph! Guys, nanonood si Rodolph. Magpasalamat tayo na sa Pilipinas yan at walagi nasa ibang bansa yan. Dive? What is real? Do you have a tendency to lead some people on? 'Cause I heard you do. Oh, or I could fall, I could fly here in your airplane. 10:30. Itigil na natin tong kabaliwan na to. Eto. Para sa mga taong katulad nyo. Sa mga taong parang kayo na talaga namang umaasa pa sa wala. Pero umaasa sa tadhana. Sa hindi Oh. Ikaw ang sasakit sa kanya? Midnight Sky, the unique Midnight Sky daw. Midnight Sky. The unique ah. Midnight Snack. Wishing that I'll be the man you touch and see. I'll give my love that can't explain. We will be running in the rain, and I will hold your hand. Hold my hand. Dance with my father daw. Oo nga, since Father's Day. Alam, kaninong version? Kaninong version?
Reverse PH.
Passenger seat.